Do you need a website that really drives sales of your product, but you don't want to pay a small fortune to have them made for you? Do you want ample control over your landing page and an easy way to customize the pages to meet your needs over and over again? No time to go back to school to learn to write code? No problem. Introducing first time ever, Turbo Site Builder. Turbo Site Builder is the simplest and the most effective tool for building one-page websites and landing pages that get outstanding results. The problem: you need an actionable, responsive website that actually turns visitors to your site into paying customers. But you don't have the time to create one yourself, the resources to create a page, the experience to write a page that gets results. The good news: Turbo Site Builder is the tool that allows you to create exactly the awesome landing page you need. Here is how it works. 1. You upload the files on your server. 2. You click to add your images. 3. You click to add your text. 4. Save all changes. That's it. You're ready. Create as many sites as you want. There are no monthly fees to pay. You do not need to know HTML at all. You don't even need to install a WordPress, and no database is needed either. Want to create another site? Just upload the files, click to add images, click to add text, save the changes, you're done. It can't be easier than that. An installation manual and a video tutorial are also delivered to you. Just scroll down the page below to discover more about this awesome software.